Alright, may buntag kaninyong tanan na ata diri karon sa San Diego at nag-agi ta diri sa ato ang Seafood City Market. Sayo pa sa buntag, nag-offer na sila og ilahang breakfast kaya kita karon mag-try mga on diri. Alright, naghulat lang ta sa ato ang turno o turn para at least kita ang i-entertain kung unsa atong orderon sa ato ang breakfast. So kung gusto niyo mangaon sayo sa buntag, agi lang mo diri sa Seafood Market. Kani tanawa na sila mga grill, pork na grill, isda na grill, halo-halo. Kana siguro unya pa na nila i-serve kay tungod ang ilang gi-offer karon sa ilang breakfast ay kanang corn baked na may itlog. Naapod sila tosilog, naapoy top silog. And then, manayapon sila hotdog na may sinangag na rice na may itlog. And chorizo na may rice and itlog at iba pa. So kung kamo gusto mo mangaon sa buntag, agi lang mo diri kay daghan silang gina-offer. So mapalit na taani og ato ang testingan nato kung unsa kalami ang ilahang mga luto. Dali na! I guess they have the buy one get one deal. Thank you. It's okay. And that's pretty much it.
Hi,
Buy
good
one
morning.
get one. Morning. Thank you. Yeah, please. Okay. Ayan na. So, medyo matigas ng konti pero masarap na rin siya. Wow. Alright guys, ayan na, kumakain na tayo. So, if you guys have a chance, just come over here at Seafood City, San Diego. And we get our egg and tapa and corned beef. That's what we ordered for now. Alright, so I hope you like the video. I'm just showing to you that in the morning you can come here and eat breakfast if you're coming after work or you're just coming by and passing and you can eat breakfast, okay? I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so I can show you more. Thank you so much.